Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. You get 2 in 1 week, and I'm wearing this same sweater as I was in the other vlog. I wasn't going to vlog, but this is like historical, and I just want to have like the video for my personal self. So it's Valentine's Day, and it's also the coldest day it'll probably be in decades here in Texas. So currently, this is what it looks like outside. I wish you could see how heavy the snow is coming down right now. Gray is watching a show, so I'm sorry if you hear that in the background. But the flakes are big and thick. It's been snowing for about 4 hours straight, and it is 10 degrees. 10. I can't get over it. It snowed here before and it's been cold, but it has never been 10 degrees. So I just wanted to document the day. I don't know what will be in this, but this is mainly for, like I said, for history value. Anyway, so this is what the house currently looks like. If you want to see a dose of reality, Gracie just woke up from a nap. Yes. We've got Boozer's food inside, so that's a big mess. We have put all the girls' toys in the living room. Gray is eating Cheetos on the couch and watching Vampirina. And I did not make my bed this morning, but I thought we would document the day. See, you can kind of see the flakes now, how big they are. Insane. They're so big. But we have so far made Valentine's cookies. And then we made this morning, which nobody's gonna eat this, but they're pink waffles with sprinkles inside. The girls open their Valentine's gifts. We'll probably take a bath in a minute. So far, that's what we've done. Okay, we're prepping to go outside. Y'all take a look at this cute thing. Gracie! It's a bear on the loose. Hi, sis. Gray's got her boots on. She's about to get her big coat. You ready to go outside? It's gonna be so cold. Oh, God! Gracie!
Oh my gosh, Gray. Look how deep it is.
Oh man. Will you pull Gressett's thing over her ears?
Woo! Girl, we gotta get your hat on, girl. There you go. You gonna get down, Gray? Gresset? Boozer, come here.
Stand.
Hey, Boozer, come here.
Stand up.
Boozer, come here.
Oh, Gracie, don't sit down. Stand up, baby. Go, Gray, Gray, go!
Oh, Gracie, are you cold, girl? I think Gracie is cold.
I think she doesn't know what to do.
Boozer, come here.
Yeah! What the heck?
What is going on?
What is going on?
Okay. Gracie, shoot herself. Okay, come here, fam.
How do you take it from here?
Gray, come here.
I just supposed
Come here, Boozer. Boozer, come here.
Okay. Right here.
to.
Sit down. Sit down.
Ah!
Get it, Mama. Did you take any?
Yeah. Okay, come here, fam.
How do you take it from here?
Gray, come here.
I just supposed to.
Come here, Boozer. Boozer, come here.
Okay. Right here.
Sit down. Sit down.
Ah!
Get it, Mama. Did you take any?
Yeah.
Yo.
Greg, come here. Oh man, this is nuts.
Here, let me take them inside. Here, Buzz. Buzzer.
Whew. What'd you think, Grace? Do you hate it? I think Grace hates it.
She's not a fan.
No. Oh my gosh, this is insane.
It is a little bit chilly right here.
Throw it, Gray. Woo! Go, girl, go. Hey, will you come get Gray? She's done.
Yeah, I think Daddy is too.
I'm pretty warm.
Oh,
Like I prepared pretty good. Stay out here, you getting insane? Okay. That's it. Isn't that crazy? It's like fluffy, fluffy snow. Woo! But it's very cold. Okay, it is dinner time. I have changed. I've showered. I blow dried my hair. It is still snowing and it's 5:40, almost 6 o'clock. But I was gonna show you what we're having for dinner. So I wanted to make a pot roast, but didn't want to do all the work. So I got this from H-E-B. It's really small, by the way, so it's not gonna feed a family. It'll feed me and the girls, and that's it. And then I cooked some potatoes and carrots. I took the potatoes out because they were cooked, but the carrots were not finished. Enough for like Ressa to eat. And then here's my dinner. So it looks super good. Colton's talking to his parents right now. And then I'm gonna have some naan bread. She's talking. He's talking to his parents on FaceTime. They live north of us, like northwest of us, and it's snowing there too. It's colder there, but here we are. Quick update after dinner. We have almost lost our bench over there. This is what we're at. This door is frozen. Oh man. Okay, it's
the bowl challenge.
What time is it? 9 o'clock?
9:05.
9 o'clock. Colton and I are watching a movie, so sorry if you hear it.
It's terrible.
It's not bad. So I've been wanting to blow bubbles and have them freeze since yesterday, and I think it's finally cold enough. It's, what is it, 7 degrees outside?
We're on a heat wave.
Oh, heat wave. Holy moly, it's so cold. Okay, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see if the bubbles freeze. I don't even know where to put my camera because, oh, did y'all hear that? I just stepped on Boozer's toy. Okay. Maybe I have to blow it this way. They did not freeze, y'all. They all just popped. Do bubbles freeze? Maybe they don't freeze. Okay, we're gonna try some water. So hold on. We're gonna throw this out and we're gonna see what it does, okay? I did nothing. Okay, it's not cold enough outside. Just kidding, we're gonna go back in. Boo boo, what do you think, Bubba's? Dude, guys, it's so deep. It is so deep. You good, bud? Look at his paws. Go in, baby. Go in. Go in. Go in. Okay, I just figured it out. It has to be hot water. I don't know that, so a little bit of hot water. Watch this. Ready? Whoa, that's so crazy. That's how cold it is outside. Right there.
We're good. We've survived the storm.
Good morning. It is Monday now. We just checked the weather and it is -0 is what it says. I didn't even know that was a temperature, -0. Yeah, it's just 0. But a lot of the people in our town are reporting that they have power outages, like on the other side of town. So we're just waiting for our power to go out. they're doing rolling blackouts to help with the consumption or something. I don't really know how that works, but that's what they're doing. Our water is still running, which is good. We did have one pipe. Okay, we have no water in our bathroom. Colton just said we had one pipe freeze. Our toilet's like to the outside. The pipes are to the outside, so we knew that was gonna freeze. But what I'm gonna do is make some coffee before our power goes out and maybe heat up some pancakes for the girls. So at least we have some hot food if it goes out. They're saying 15, I know, I heard you.
No water in the bathroom.
15 to 20 minutes for the power, I'm sorry, 15 to 45 minutes for the power to be out. But people are saying that like their power's been out for hours and then it would come back on and then turn back off. So there's that. Again, I'm just filming this like basically for memories because this is insane. It's definitely historic. I mean, it even snowed in South Texas, like Houston area. That's nuts. Here we are outside. I mean, it looks the same as it did yesterday. It didn't snow anymore, but now we're in the sunlight, so you can kind of see the amount of snow. We can see one of our major roads from here and people are driving on it. So they've bladed it and that's fine, but I'm sure neighborhood roads aren't. Okay, ignore all of the extra things in the background, but it is 5 o'clock on Tuesday. School just got canceled for tomorrow. Wait, 5 o'clock on Monday. School just got canceled for tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Canceled, not virtual, so we don't have to work again. Yay. Not really. We really want to go back to like normal. What is it, 17 right now?
We're 18.
Okay, it's 18 degrees currently. The high was
We're boiling.
the high was supposed to be 23 today, and it never even got to 20. I never saw it get to 20, so that's great. All the roads will refreeze again tonight, but tomorrow the high is 45. So if it actually gets to 45 with the sun shining, hopefully we can get some roadways that are decent, and maybe we can go back to work on Wednesday. Let's hope so. Or at least by the end of the week. But we're waiting on Colby and Amanda to come over because they have no power or water. So we told them to come over and get warm and take a shower at least and hang out in like warmth. They've had they started to do blackouts during the day. I think I said that earlier. And then they turn into just power outages. So now people just don't have power, and it's not like the electric companies aren't doing it. Like they had been shutting them off to try to conserve energy, and it just turned into power outages. Now we're in power outages. Luckily, again, like we've hit gold all week. We have not lost power at all. We do have several people I know that don't have power right now, and I reached out and said they could stay here or shower here. So yeah, my parents still have power. Like I said, they're not too far from us, but they're still rocking with power. Anyway, thought I'd update y'all. That school is canceled, so maybe this will turn into a 2-day vlog. We'll see. Same place. But now I have dinner. Colby and Amanda just left. They got their showers in. It's about 8 o'clock. Sorry, the lighting's off. We're trying to conserve energy. So we have all the lights off in the house except for one at a time. We're not running our dishwasher or our, what is it called? Washing machine. We're using the microwave, and that's it. So if anything happens between now and the morning, I will talk to y'all then, but if not, we'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, it's the next morning, and I just went to look. It's like 9 o'clock, we just lost power, so we knew it was coming. Now we're packing up stuff to go to my parents' house because they currently have power right now, which is nice. So we're gonna get a couple clothes. Sorry, that's the flashlight. We can get some clothes and head to my parents.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us.
Okay, we're back home. It's like 4 o'clock. All of our schools got canceled until Thursday or Friday, I guess.
Oh yeah, we done. We done. Texas is broke.
My parents still have power. Oh gosh. But yeah, it's just real rough right now. I mean, it's not as rough as others, I guess. But we're coming to check on Boozer because he's in the house. Like, the house is not freezing. I mean, it's not warm, but it's not freezing. Come to check on him, and we're going to get some stuff for tonight. It smells really weird in here. Oh, it stinks. Yeah. It's gonna be a rough. It's going to be a rough couple of weeks, I think, for Texans. Oh man, it's so dark. Going to be a rough couple weeks. Because once all of this thaws out, none of our pipes are prepared for this. Our houses aren't prepared for this. Our water lines aren't prepared for this. We had that was another thing. We had a water main break in the town. So now we're on a boil notice, so we can't drink the water if you have the water to drink. And then there's a low supply of water, so they don't want you to bathe or shower. Whew, man. Okay, so we're just gonna grab some stuff for us and the girls for tonight. We're gonna come back again later to check on Booze. We're gonna grab our stuff and then we're gonna head out. This is also worth a note. I just opened that, by the way, to get stuff out, but this is everything from our freezer. It's currently 28 outside, so we should be good. But we have like 2 deer right there, so we don't want that to go to waste. And this is everything from our freezers, but we're keeping it out here tonight. Oh man. All right, it is now Wednesday. Yeah,
it is.
Wednesday morning. We are headed to the house to let Boozer out of the house and to see if we have power. Pretty sure we don't have water. I was looking at people that live around us and they don't have water still.
I'm not even gonna try it today.
I don't even know if I mentioned that. They turned our water off last night in the Upper Plain area, and that's where we live. So that area does not have water or electricity now. They turned it off because of a water main break that they needed to fix. So I don't know if it's fixed or not. I know that area still doesn't have water. It's 24 right now. It's supposed to get to 30. That's the high today. And then we're having another chance of snow tonight. Anyway, that's her up.
Crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So walk on this stuff.
Oh, hold on, Dad. She's gonna step right in the snow. Come over here.
Well, that's a little bit icy for her. Let it get over here. This right here is good, Greg.
Get in the grass.
Get right
There you
here. Greg, right here.
Where it's brown.
Yeah, walk right here. That's perfect. There you go. Yeah, that's not frozen yet, but it will be. Tomorrow morning.
This is still slick. How are you? Good, yeah, as good as you can be, huh? At least we got electricity and water.
Whoa, Braylon.
We're lucky. Bed, I'm in bed.
But we don't want to stop playing it. Yeah, if we stop playing, then playtime's over.
Pat sat on
Please.
a cat. Pat sat
So
on a
many
bat.
things we still
No,
want to
Pat,
play.
no, Pat, don't sit on
Well,
that.
your mom is going to be back at dinner time.
Oh, that would
And I
hurt.
told her I'd keep an eye on you.
I think we have power, Daddy. Get him, Gretch. Get him.
Stand level.
I'm pretty sure I progressively get more rough looking throughout this entire vlog. But we are home. Our power came back on.
And we are taking a tea.
Okay. Our power came back on, so it's Thursday right now, and our power came back on last night at like midnight, like 12:30. According to like people that live around us, we were asleep at my parents' house, so we woke up this morning, and Colton came over here to check, and the house was heated up to 64. Whenever we came and checked on it, it never got down. I think the coldest it was like 47 in the house. We kept Boozer in the house the entire time we were at my parents'. He's a very big dog, and that's a lot of hair to take over to somebody's house, and just a big mess. And he's perfectly fine in our house. We just closed all the doors, came out to let him out to the bathroom. He had food and water, so he was perfectly fine. He actually slept on the couch most of the time.
Okay, goodbye.
Which ruined my couch, but it's fine. We got, hold on, let me finish, please. We have water here. It's just really low pressure, which is fine. Our hot water heater works. All the electricity is back on, like I said. Our bathtub in like the bathtub in our bathroom and then our toilet are frozen, so we're working on thawing those out right now. The temperature's not supposed to get above 28 today, and then back down to 10 again tonight. If you cannot tell, I am super tired. I just have not slept very good the past 2 nights because Gresset has not wanted to sleep in her pack and play, so I've been sleeping with her, which is always very uncomfortable. So I'm looking forward to that. Right now, she's taking a nap in her room, and I think she's loving it. Like, she just laid down and turned and just went straight to sleep pretty quickly once we got home. So yeah, we just have to, school got canceled again for tomorrow. We figured that anyway. Nothing has thawed out here. The roads look really good. Like the main roads look good because they bladed them, but not a lot has thawed out. Like the neighborhood roads are still straight ice. Pipes are still frozen. So tomorrow the temp is supposed to get above freezing, and that's whenever we will start to assess if there's any damage. I don't know, like to schools and stuff. Some people still don't have power, but most of the power was restored in our town, and most of the water leaks and main breaks and all of that were fixed. They're working on those again today. It's just crazy. Like, it's been a crazy week. We had it really nice because my parents never lost power and they never lost water. I mean, we were just inconvenienced, so we're not going to complain at all. I know people that had it way worse than we did. Yeah, it's just, we've lost now 2 weeks of school pretty much. So we're 2 weeks behind. Our kids are 2 weeks behind. Our teachers are 2 weeks behind. It's nuts. Yeah, hopefully we get back to school on Monday. Hopefully there's not that much damage. I know we've been watching videos of like places in Houston and Austin where it's already thawing and their pipes are just busting everywhere. Their schools are flooding, and that's not what we're looking forward to. That not looking forward to that if it happens. Okay, so we're just gonna play. I've cleaned up the house for the most part, like all the dog hair, and we put all of our freezer stuff back in the fridge and the freezer.
Now, I'm gonna go get something. And I'm mopping, Mom.
Okay. The only thing that I'm not looking forward to now is grocery shopping because all of our
Stopping.
almost done. Because our grocery stores are empty. A lot empty. There's stuff there and I'm sure I can find stuff. I just don't want to battle people. I don't want to get out. We have enough food to last us. It's just not going to be like really delicious meals. It's going to be chicken and rice and that's about all we have. Yeah. So that's the update there. Thursday back at home with power and water. Still below freezing temperatures though. Oh man, I look so rough. Anyway.
You look like you just survived a 5-day storm.
I did. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time, hopefully a lot warmer.